Today I'm going to show you how you can turn this into this by watching videos online and probably even quit your day job. But the first step you need to take is subscribe to the channel, because if you want to learn how to make money online, my channel is all about making money, and I post videos on a daily basis every single day on how you can do that. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, I might post a video and you might not see it, and that could have been the video that could possibly change your life forever. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now and come with me, because I'm going to jump in a computer and explain to you step by step what you need to do to start making money by watching videos on YouTube. Sound good? Let's go. And now what you guys are going to be doing is you're going to basically take this tool, you're going to take a YouTube video, watch it, and earn money. It's as easy as that. We have to admit that I watch videos on YouTube every day. You probably watch videos on YouTube every day, and many people that you know also watch videos every day. So why not get paid to watch the videos? And this method is absolutely free. You guys don't have to pay anything to use this tool. It's just as easy as going into a website, creating your account, using a tool, watching the videos, earning the money, cashing out. That's it. It's as easy as that. And guys, you don't have to worry about this. It works all around the world. Wherever you are in the world, if you're in China, if you're in India, it probably works all around the world, and it accepts all kinds of payment platforms. You can use PayPal, you can use Payoneer, you can use Bitcoin, you can use Payeer, you can use Skrill. There are lots of payment platforms that you can use to perform this method. Don't worry about it. All right. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the future videos. I'm coming up with some really good videos to make money, and I don't want you to miss out on those videos. So basically, I'm going to be teaching you this method step by step. So all you have to do is follow me and do what I do. I will do step 1, you will do step 1. I will do step 2, you do step 2. And by the end of this video, you will be ready to start making money. So all you have to do basically is just follow along with me and not try to skip any steps, because if you skip any of these steps, it could be the reason that in the end you have some kind of problems, or you don't make money, or anything could happen. I'm going to explain what you have to do step by step, so just follow along with me. So this is the website that you're going to be using to make money. It's called shrinkme.io, and these are all the people that are making money with this website. Okay, so this is the times that people are getting paid, how much they're getting paid, and I could go on and on and on. As you guys can see here, there's 626 pages. I could click all of them. You could see this is all the payment proof. They display it on the website. PayPal, you get paid by PayPal. Payoneer, like I said, there's lots of payment methods. You can use anyone that suits you better wherever you are in the world. Okay, but before you start earning money like these people, there are a few steps that you have to follow in order for you to set up your account and do the right things to be able to actually make money using this method. So what you have to do is you have to come here to YouTube, and you need to search for a specific keyword of something that you like, you know, something that you know that has demand for, that people are currently searching actively for that. So you can use websites like Reddit, you can use websites like Quora.com, Answers.com. You're gonna get some kind of information or news that people are searching for, that people are already looking for, and you're gonna get that keyword, and you're gonna get some news and link it to a video and post it for people to watch. And I'm gonna explain what I mean by that right now, so follow along with me. Let's say you play a game, right? And a game that I used to play is called Elden Ring, and there's a few quests that people need to complete in that game. And I know for a fact that people always search for videos on how to complete those quests. I did that myself when I used to play the game. So since I know that, I have that information, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to YouTube, search for the Elden Ring game, and what I'm going to do now is I searched for a specific quest that I once myself looked for, which is Fia Quest. And many people search for this one. As you guys can see, there's 480k views in this video, and it's got 90 views per hour. So it shows you guys that there is demand for this quest here. Okay, so what you're going to do, if you don't have this information on your computer, what you can do is download the vidIQ extension for Google Chrome, and you're gonna be able to see all of this information. If you don't have this one here, it's keywords everywhere. If you need as well, you can download TubeBuddy. I'm gonna add links for those in the description if you guys are interested in that. What you want to do is keep this video safe and go into the website shrinkme which I told you guys that people are earning the money. This is the website that you're going to be using to post the videos to gain the money watching the videos. What you want to do here is register, create an account. So now I'm already logged in, so I can't create an account. You just click up here on the right top corner and it's going to say register. You just register for an account. Now you go into dashboard. As you guys can see here, I got one view, $1 or something. Average CPM $7. There's some news here. It says the CPM has been increased. Worldwide CPM increased to $3.30, which is good news. So yeah, I've already registered early on today, and I don't know where I posted this link, but I already got one view. So I have $1.01. Okay, when you guys first come into the website, it shows you that you can earn money and highest paying URL shortener. Join now and earn up to $220 for 10,000 views. Okay, so every 10,000 views that you get, you're gonna get $220. So basically what you need to do is get as many views as you can in each video. And how you do that is you're going to take that video that I told you to search for. It doesn't have to be Elden Ring. It doesn't have to be, I don't know what I'm searching for. It can be anything. If you know a movie, if you know another game, if you play Fortnite, if you play RuneScape, if you play GTA, whatever it is, if you want to make videos about TikTok or I don't know what you guys are into, if you know it has demand and if you know a place that you could go and paste the link and people would click and watch the videos for you to earn money. It could be any website, anything that you know works. Okay, I just wanted to clarify something that I forgot to say. The reason why we're using this website instead of some other website is because this website, shrinkme.io, is the most used website and it has a minimum payout of $5. So you don't have to reach this huge amount like $100, $200 like many other websites for you to get paid. It's only $5. So it's pretty easy. You could do that today and get paid like $5. You know, it's really quick. And also ShrinkMe works with a bunch of different payment methods: PayPal, Bitcoin, WebMoney, Paytm, UPI, RTM, Payeer, bank transfer. They do all kinds of payout methods. So wherever you are in the world, you won't have a problem cashing out your money. So that is very important because I know many of you guys are in countries like India, countries like China, countries like wherever you are, and you're watching this, you might not be able to create an account in the US or in the UK. So this is very important for you to be able to cash out the money that you earn through the website. So what I decided to do here is I decided to log out of my account and I decided to create a new account so I can log in and register with you. So follow me on this one. You're going to go into the dashboard here. When you put shrinkme.io, you're going to be coming to this website. You're going to click register. After you click register, choose any username that suits you. So in this case, I'm just going to put Mr. Reese. I don't know if that's available. Could be. Yeah, looks like it. So now let me add an email, a password. I'm just going to suggest a strong password. This one is fine. Okay. I'm not a robot. And then you can confirm the CAPTCHA. In this case, it's Bridges. So bridge, verify. And then you can agree to the terms. If you do agree, of course, you can take a look here at them. You can read them in here if you want to. I'm just going to agree and register. Now it checked my browser. As you guys saw, your account has been created. So I've been officially registered to the website. And now you can just click I'm not a robot and sign in. After you do that, you're going to be redirected to the website. And here you can see your total views, your total earnings, your referral earnings, and your average CPM. And then in the left hand side here, you're going to be able to withdraw your money, manage the links that you already have, and create a new shortened link. But this is going to be coming in just a minute. Let's do something else first. So what you have to do first is obviously we need to go grab our link. But first, you don't want to just choose any video. In my case, I have the vidIQ extension, so I know that this video is getting 90 views per hour. So you could watch the video until the end, see if it's entertaining, see if it suits you, and if it's going to be something that when people click it, they're going to want to watch. Okay, so you need to see if people want to watch the video that you're going to be posting, because if it's a crappy video, people are not going to watch it, and therefore you're not going to make money with it. So you need to choose a good video. You just take a look, open the video. Let me just lower this volume here really quick. You could open the video. You could watch it until the end. You can see this is a 12-minute video. All right, there's people watching it here. I can see it in the timeline because of the extensions that I'm using. I can see that people are watching this video. It looks pretty cool. Yeah, it's got really high quality. So as it's a gameplay video, so people get really entertained watching these kind of videos. Okay, now that you know that people are watching it and they like the video, you grab the link, you go here into the timeline, copy the link of the video, and then we're going to go back to shrinkme.io, and then you're going to click new shorten link. This is the link that you need to click to shorten your link, to be able to get a shortened link so you can send to other people and earn money doing it. Okay, I know it sounds a little complicated, but it's easier than it sounds. So what you're going to do here, you're going to paste your link here, and you're going to choose, let me see if I don't think you have to set an expiry date. Okay, so you don't have to set an expiry date. You just put the link here, and then you click shorten. It's going to generate a new link for you. After you shorten your link, what you're going to do is you're going to go to any website that you know that you're going to post it and it's going to get traction. In this case, it's a game. So there's a few websites that I would go to post it. You know, the biggest game forum is pcgamer.com, and there's also reddit.com. You could use Reddit. As you can see here, I posted the topic of the video, Elden Ring Fia Quest, and I found lots of topics on this. So this is something that people actively search for, and I know that for a fact. You can see here this posted 8 days ago. 5th day, 95 Fia's champions. All right, so people really enjoy this game and they want to know about it. Another website that you could go is pcgamer.com. This is one of the biggest gaming blogs out there, and I think it gets like tens of millions of views every single month. So it's a very, very busy one. That is exactly what you need. You need a very busy website so you can post your link and you know that many people are going to see it and possibly click it and watch the video, so you're going to earn money. So that's why we're looking for a very busy website and a very good video, because the best video that you pick is going to attract more viewers. More people are going to click it, more people are going to watch it, the more money you're going to make, possibly some passive income on the side, right? Which is great for everyone. So now what you want to do after you have found all of the resources is you want to go into Google and you want to search for some kind of news related to what you're going to be posting on the forums, because there is no point of you posting just a random link somewhere random where people will not know what it is. Nobody's going to be clicking it. So what you have to do is you need to get some context. And to do that, you go into Google and you search for some kind of news related to what you're posting. In my case, it's the quest. Okay, so it's Elden Ring Fia Quest. And as you can see, I just posted like news, which is pretty obvious. And right away, I can see here PC Gamer has news about it. So GameSpot is another website. So I'm going to click on this one. And what you have to do is you just copy this news. Okay, you don't have to copy all of it if you don't want to. You just find an interesting bit here. Okay, so I'm just going to copy all of it because it seems pretty interesting. So I'm going to be copying it and posting it in this text file. Literally just copying and pasting. All right, so we have everything copied. As you can see, I didn't copy any videos. Let's go back to the website. I'm going to be, so after you've done that, you're going to go into PC Gamer or Reddit or whatever place you want to post it. It could be Discord. It could be anything that you know, okay? It doesn't have to be any of these two websites, but these two are just some of the most known gamer sites. Reddit is the biggest forum in the world, so any kind of topic that you're searching for, you can find it there. So it's very easy to go there and post it because it's going to live forever in there. People are always going to be finding your link, so you're always going to be earning money off of it. I can show you guys here that this website gets millions and millions of views. As you can see, 20 million monthly visits worldwide. So you know that this website is busy. Lots of people are searching for this website and you're going to get a lot of traffic. So all you have to do is you need to go back to YouTube and you keep searching videos, keep searching topics, and then you keep getting links, you keep shortening them up, you post it in the forums, and you keep earning more and more money. The more you do it, possibly the more money you're going to be earning. If you do want to learn how you can make more money, I made a guide on how you can make money with YouTube Shorts, just copying and pasting YouTube Shorts and monetizing them without having a monetized channel. And on that video, I'm pretty sure you can make more than double the money that you make on this topic, on this method here, because many people on YouTube right now are searching for YouTube Shorts Instagram Reels, and TikToks. And YouTube right now is giving a huge organic traffic for anyone that's posting YouTube Shorts. So if you want to learn how to make money with that, just click the link up here right now and it will take you to my other video. I guess I'll see you on the other video. Work hard, play harder.